This will make the XRP people really happy. The one piece of legislation that is likely to happen.
Breaking news, Donald Trump has just signed a big crypto executive order. Details include creating a strategic national digital asset stockpile, promote Bitcoin in the US, establish fair crypto regulations, and no CBDC.
Yeah, this is the crypto EO. We're going to be forming an internal working group to make America the world capital in crypto under your leadership.
Which is really going up, right?
Absolutely.
David, that's for you.
Thanks, sir.
At the same time, during Trump's trip to the World Economic Forum, he declared America will be the crypto capital of the world.
Reduce the cost of virtually all goods and services. It'll make the United States a manufacturing superpower and the world capital of artificial intelligence and crypto.
Let's talk top 4 coins you need to buy before all of this happens. Comment an altcoin that you're really bullish on. Smash the like button. If you own crypto, post this video on your social media. This is all happening so fast, we need to get the word out. Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, is now joking about launching his own meme coin. Says, I love crypto.
Are you planning on issuing any either meme coin, ETFs, or anything like that now that the animal spirits seem to be very much alive?
I think the Sorkin coin should...
Sorkin coin. We got to do a squat coin. We've talked, Becky and I, we've talked about a squat coin.
Yeah, as a huge believer of crypto and blockchain and tokenization, I want the SEC to rapidly approve the tokenization of bonds and stocks. That will simplify things, make things easier. Some of the tax on BlackRock would never have to vote on a proxy vote anymore because every owner of record would be notified through a tokenization of equities. And it would save more money for more people. It would bring down the cost of ownership of stock and bonds. So those are the type of financial reforms we need.
Right.
Today's video is brought to you by SilentSwap. This is my go-to platform to send, swap, and bridge my crypto in private with ease at the lowest cost, 100% non-custodial and safe. With SilentSwap, there is no traceable connection between wallets. I'll link my full tutorial video in the description. Use my affiliate link for 10% off all platform fees. Jeremy Allaire, CEO of Circle. Circle's USDC is the most popular stablecoin in the US. He says get ready because he expects multiple executive orders related to crypto to be signed by Trump.
I expect to see executive orders and I expect to see key agenda items here. There's a lot to do, and I expect the Trump administration to continue to be in the limelight with a lot of action. And obviously, we're going to start seeing action from the regulatory agencies, action in Congress. And so I think you'll see that out of the White House as well.
Even the CEO of Morgan Stanley says we're getting into crypto in such a big way.
What do you make of crypto under Trump, this Trump administration, what may happen and what that speaks? I mean, we're talking about meme coins. I don't know if you're following the Trump coin or the Melania coin and what that says about what's happening here.
Well, I think there is liquidity, and the liquidity, expresses itself in all kinds of different ways. I think the broader question is whether some of this has come of age, whether it's hit escape velocity. And, time is the friend. The longer it trades and, perception becomes reality. For us, the equation is really around whether we as a highly regulated financial institution can act as transactors, sort of follow the money. And there we'll be working with Treasury and the other regulators to sort of figure out how we can offer that in a safe way.
So, what 4 crypto coins do you need to get on your radar? Smash the like button, comment one altcoin you think should be on today's list. This might surprise some people. The CEO of Morgan Creek Capital is suggesting 3 altcoins as all potential assets for Trump's crypto reserves, noting that the founders of these projects are building ties with the Trump family, particularly Eric. The claim is these 3 altcoins could also be in Trump's strategic crypto reserve. What do you think?
This will make the XRP people really happy. The one piece of legislation that is likely to happen, there's a lot of talk that they'll expand beyond just Bitcoin to now, XRP and Cardano and Hedera. And look, those founders have been buddying up to the administration and to Eric, and I think Eric's driving a lot of this, his son. So we'll see. But the case for the strategic Bitcoin reserve, because Bitcoin is digital gold, everything else has different roles. Something that could happen, I don't know if it'll happen the first 100 days, Abs, but there's some talk. This will make the XRP people really happy. There is some talk that XRP could be utilized and or ordered to be used for a central bank digital currency or as the base layer for national banking. I don't know if it'll happen or not, but that's one that if that does happen, that changes things. It's kind of like...
And we know that the Bitcoin strategic reserve, maybe the crypto strategic reserve, it's on its way. This will happen in Trump's first 100 days, according to sources. And we're seeing Trump get everything in order. Senator Cynthia Lummis, chair of Trump's Senate Banking Subcommittee on Digital Assets. Brian Armstrong understands what's about to happen next.
Bitcoin is a nice check and balance on deficit spending and inflation, because if it ever gets too out of hand, people will kind of flee to Bitcoin as for safety. You know, I've heard people talk about having like that there could be a sovereign wealth fund for the United States where every citizen gets a share of it on their 18th birthday. And now you have skin in the game, and whenever there's a surplus, it gets paid out as a dividend, right?
This is truly the dawn of a new era in crypto, according to the Coinbase CEO.
There seems to be a full-on sea change, or at least it seems that way, in Washington about your world.
Yeah, I mean, it's really the dawn of a new day for crypto, and the energy was just palpable throughout the room. You have to remember, I mean, the last 4 years, we really felt like we were being attacked by this administration, and they tried to weaponize the lack of clarity in the rules to really push back even on the good actors, right? There were some bad actors too, to be fair, but they even really tried to go after the good actors, I think, like us. So the industry is just ready for this new change. They're ready for clear rules, and that's our big push next, is to try to go get some legislation passed in the U.S. to make it even more clear.
One more made in the USA altcoin I want to include in today's list. So we already have XRP, we already have Cardano, we already have HBAR as potential reserve assets for Donald Trump's strategic reserve, according to Mark Yusko, or using XRP in some other way, I guess. I have noticed how seemingly legitimately bullish Eric Trump is on crypto. So the Trump family, truly crypto bulls. It does seem like Donald Trump is fully supporting crypto now that he's in office. I think we're in for a huge year, guys. Make sure you subscribe to Altcoin Daily for daily videos just like this, keeping you informed on the entire cryptocurrency market. If you're interested in making money in crypto, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, watch every day. Videos on our channel are never financial advice, but a great starting off point. Comment a number 5 altcoin you think needs to be added to this list. For me, if I had to go one more, and we don't need to choose one, there are a lot of options, but if I had to go just one more, I'd go